Hello everyone, my name is Rubi Yadav and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Meri Professional and Law Institute, MDU Rohtak. I am glad to get this opportunity to represent myself and discuss my topic with all of you. So today I am going to discuss about the financial emergency which is mentioned under Article 360 of the Indian Constitution. Article 360 of the Indian Constitution provides that if the President is satisfied that a situation has arisen whereby the financial stability or credit of India or of any part of the territory thereof is threatened, he may be proclaimed, make a declaration to that effect, that is under the Article 360 Clause 1. Now under Article 360 Clause 2, there are proclamation mentioned which can be issued under the Article 360 Clause 1. That the financial emergency may be revoked by any subsequent proclamation, and the financial emergency shall be laid before each house of the Parliament, and the financial emergency shall be ceased to operate at the expiration of 2 months, unless before the expiration of that period it has been approved by resolutions. It provides that if any such proclamation is issued at a time when the House of People has been dissolved or the dissolution of House of People takes place during the period of 2 months referred to in subclause C of the Article 360 Clause 2. And if the resolution approving the proclamation has been passed by the Council of States, but no resolution with respect to such proclamation has been passed by the House of People before the expiration of that period, the proclamations shall cease to operate at the expiration of 30 days from the date on which the House of People first sits after the reconstitution, unless before the expiry of the said 30 days a resolution approving the proclamation has been also passed by the House of People. Now, there are certain effects of the financial emergency which is mentioned under the Article 360 Clause 4 and Clause 5 of the Indian Constitution. So, we will discuss one by one each of the clauses. In Article 360 Clause 3, it is mentioned that during the period any proclamation as is mentioned under the Clause 1 of the Article 360 is in operation, the executive authority of Union shall extend to the giving of direction to any state to observe such canons of the financial property as may be specified in the directions, and to the givings of such other directions of the President may deem necessary and adequate for the purpose. This is what mentioned under the Article 360 Clause 3. Now under the Article 360 Clause 4 of the Indian Constitution, it is mentioned that notwithstanding anything in the Constitution, Article 360 Clause 4 subclause A provides any such direction include a provision requiring the reduction of the salaries and allowances of all of any class of persons serving in connection of the affairs of state. So their salaries and allowance will be reduced, And second is that a provision requiring all money bill or other bills to which the provisions of Article 207 apply to be reserved for the consideration of the President after they are passed by the legislature of the state, so that before the execution of any money bill, if it is passed by the legislature of the state, this need to be approved by the President. Only after that they can be executed. Now, the subclause B of the Article 360 Clause 4 provides that it shall be competent for the President during the period any proclamation issued under this article is in operation to issue directions for the reduction of salaries and allowances of all or any class of person serving in connections with the affairs of the Union, including the judges of the Supreme Courts and High Courts. So this was all about the financial emergency which is mentioned under the Article 360 of the Indian Constitution. It can be done only by the President to any specific state or maybe to the whole of the nation. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, all of you.